We are here in Acworth at a Pulte community called Prescott, and I am here with Sherry. And Sherry, first of all, talk to me a little bit about this great location.
We're in an excellent location, so we're right off Highway 92 and just a few minutes from I-575.
And Sherry, we are standing here in your gorgeous model home, and at Pulte, you guys have life-tested plans. So can you talk to me a little bit about that and what people can expect from your homes?
Yes, so all of our Pulte homes have Pulte life-tested plans to best meet your family's needs. Our ranch-style homes feature open concept spaces optimized for one-level living and the option of adding a second floor. You'll find other amazing features in our homes, including hardy plank exteriors with stone or brick accents. And our kitchens have granite countertops, stainless appliances, and wood cabinets. Each home is built with the homebuyer's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we're proud to offer benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heating, fireplaces, and cooktops because no matter the season or weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford. And to further personalize your home, we have gorgeous options available in our design studio.
Sherry, with this being an active adult community, what are some of the things that Pulte thinks about either within the community and also the plans of the homes?
Yes, so all of our plans are true ranch style plans with HOA, including the lawn maintenance for every homeowner. Our plans range in square footage from 1656 to 2051 square feet with basements available and range from 335 to 400s. And we also have a closing cost incentive available with our preferred lender of $4,000 with Pulte Mortgage. Our sales office is open daily and you can call us at 470-400-8965 and please visit our website at pulte.com Prescott.
Well, Sherry, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.